Hello students, in previous video I have given the explanation of operation on fraction and types of fraction. Now we are going to see how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Here you can see example is given 4 and 3/7. So how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction? We will understand by this example. First we will write 4. Then this 4 will multiply with 7, means denominator. Any number will be there. We have to multiply this denominator with whole number. So 4 multiplied by 7. Then we have to give plus here and add this 3. Means numerator we have to add. First we have to multiply this 4 with 7 that we have written. Then plus 3 and down 7 will write as it is. So 4 multiplied by 7, 28, because 4 7s are 28. Then plus 3. We will go step by step. Then down we have to write denominator as it is, that is 7. Then 28 plus 3, 31 upon 7. So this is the improper fraction answer. So we have converted this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So this way we have to solve mixed fraction into improper fraction. This is the one kind of example I have shown you how to solve. Now we will start with the practice set 9 of question number 1. Let's see. Practice set 9, question number 1. Convert into improper fraction. You can see here mixed fraction is given already, and that we have to need to convert into improper fraction. We have seen in the example how to convert. Now let's solve the question number 1. See question number 1. 7 and 2/5. So first of all we will write 7, that is whole number, and that 7 will multiply with denominator 5. So 7 multiplied by 5. Then we have to plus this numerator, that is 2. So plus 2. 7 multiplied by 5 plus 2, and down denominator will come as it is. Then 7 5s are 35. We will write 35, then plus 2 upon 5. Then equals to 35 plus 2, how much? 37. Okay. Then down we will write 5, that is denominator. So we will write same as it is. So this way we have to solve improper fraction. Here we have given the mixed fraction, and that mixed fraction we have converted into improper fraction. Next is question number 5. 1 and 5/7. Same way we are going to solve. 1 multiplied by 7 plus 5. 1, that is whole number. 7 is denominator, which we have to multiply with 1. Then plus 5 upon 7 equals to 7 ones are 7. We will write 7 as it is. Then plus 5 upon 7. 7 plus 5, answer is 12. And down we have to write denominator, which is given as 7. We will write 7 as it is. So 12/7 is the answer. We have converted these two questions into improper fraction. Remaining questions you have to solve on your own. Now we will see the how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. Let's see. Now we will see how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. Here improper fraction is given and we have to convert it into mixed fraction. 13 upon 5 is given. 13 is divided by 5. So here we have to just do the divide. So 13 is divided by 5. So we will write first and then we are going to solve. Now we need to read 5 till we are not getting 13 or less than 13. 5 2s are 10. If I will take 5 3s are 15, it will be more than 13. It will be more than 13. So we will take 2 times. So 5 2s are 10. Then we have to subtract. 3 minus 0, 3. 1 minus 1, 0. So we need to first understand how to write and what we have to write in mixed fraction. First, here we have to write quotient. Then dividend, and this is divisor, and this is remainder. First we have to write this quotient 2. Then remainder we need to write upon divisor. So 2 is the quotient, 3 is remainder, and divisor is 5. So this way we have to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. Now we will see the questions based on this. Let's see the questions. Question number 2 is convert into mixed numbers. 30 upon 7 is given, that we have to convert it into mixed numbers. Let's see the solution. Now see how to solve. 7, that is divisor, we will write outside. Then 30. So 30 will divide by 7. So we need to take the table that comes till 30 or less than 30. मीन्स हमें ऐसे 7 का टेबल रीड करना है जब तक हमें 30 या 30 से कम ना मिले. सो वी विल सी. 7 4s are 28 and 7 5s are 35. So 28 we can take because it is less than 30, and if we will take 35 it is more than 30. So 7 4s are 28. Let's do the subtraction. 3 will become 2 and here 10. 10 minus 8, 2, and 2 minus 2, 0. So quotient and this is dividend and this one is remainder and this is the divisor. Once we have done with this division, we have to write this in mixed numbers. How to write? First we have to write the quotient. So we will write 4. Then we have to write remainder. So we will write 2. And in last, in denominator, we have to write 7. So this is the answer of mixed numbers. So this way we have to solve the fractions if we have to convert it into mixed fractions. We will see one more example. So this is the third question of question number 2. 15 upon 12. 12 is a denominator. denominator. So denominator we have to write here and numerator will write inside. So we will read the table. 12 ones are 12 and 12 twos are 24. So 24 is more than 15. So that we will not take. We will take 12 ones are. So 12 ones are 12 and then we have to subtract this number. 5 minus 2, 3. 1 minus 1, 0. So this is the question. This is dividend, then remainder and divisor. First we have to write quotient, then remainder, and in last we have to write divisor, which is our denominator. So our numerator will be remainder and denominator will be divisor, and quotient is our whole number. So this is the mixed fraction. So we have converted 15 upon 12 into mixed fraction, that is 1 and 3 upon 12. Now we will see the word problem. Question number 3 is, write the following examples using fractions. We just have to write the examples by using the fractions. If 9 kg rice is shared amongst 5 people, how many kilograms of rice does each person get? In this word problem, we just have to write it in the fraction form. Let's see how to write. Let's see the solution. 5 person get 9 kg of rice. Means you can see in question 9 kg rice is shared among 5 people. So 5 people is sharing 9 kg rice. So how to write in fraction form? 5 persons get 9 kg of rice. So 1 person gets 9 upon 5 kg of rice, because we have to write this in fraction form. So 9 upon 5, because 5 is number of people. So 5 persons getting 9 kg of rice. So 9 kg rice we have to share in 5 people. So 1 person gets 9 upon 5 kg of rice. Hope you all understood this video.